magandang tanghali po. Hi, Steph. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
And what's up to our Vivo fam?
Chasing their dreams like you are. Can you give us like one advice? Like what do they need in order for them to be successful?
Motivation and discipline is very different from one another. When you're motivated, parang hit or miss eh. Depende sa mood mo kung you will go right after your dreams. But if you're disciplined, iba yun. Parang continuous flame yun inside you that you keep on doing it all over again until you reach your goals. So,
Ito kasi malakas sila mag-cheer. Kailangan malakas kayo mag-cheer, guys, para nakakapagtanong kayo kay Alden. So, Pam, ikaw ang pinakamalakas mag-cheer kanina. So, yes, ma'am, please stand up. So, may we get your name? Okay. Ben! Our official hashtags are hashtag Vivo Y100X Alden and hashtag Vivo Meet and Greet with Alden.